Stop saying yes to everything. Because if you're honest, a lot of the stress, frustration, and lack of progress in your life isn't happening because you don't have time. It's happening because you keep giving your time away to things that don't deserve it. You say yes to plans you don't even want to go to, yes to conversations that drain your energy, yes to distractions that steal your focus, yes to people who only remember you when they need something, and yes to habits that keep you stuck. And then you wonder why you feel exhausted, why you feel overwhelmed, and why your life doesn't seem to be moving forward. But let's be honest, the problem is not that people ask too much from you. The problem is that you make it easy for them. You keep saying yes because you want people to like you, because you don't want to disappoint anyone, because you're scared of being judged, because you don't want people thinking you've changed, and because deep down you're afraid of being left out. So instead of protecting your time, you hand it away. And instead of building your own future, you spend your energy helping everyone else maintain theirs. And then you complain that you're tired. But of course you're tired, because you're living a life designed by other people's expectations instead of your own priorities. What most people never realize is that every time you say yes to something that doesn't matter, you're quietly saying no to something that does. You're saying no to your goals, no to your peace, no to your discipline, no to your focus, and no to the person you could become. I am go. And these small yeses seem harmless in the moment. One extra hangout, one pointless conversation, 1 hour of distraction, one favor you didn't even want to do. But when you repeat those choices every single day, they become your life. Weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and suddenly you look around wondering why everyone else seems to be moving ahead, while you're still stuck in the same place. The truth is, successful people are not the ones who say yes to everything. They are usually the ones who say no to almost everything. They say no to distractions, no to drama, no to pointless relationships, no to habits that weaken them, and no to comfort when comfort is holding them back. They protect their time because they understand something most people ignore. Your time is your life, and every time you give it away carelessly, you are giving away pieces of your future. But most people are too weak to do that. They would rather be accepted than respected, rather fit in than grow, rather keep everyone happy than become who they are capable of becoming. And that is exactly why they stay average. Because growth requires discomfort. And one of the most uncomfortable things you will ever learn is disappointing people. Not because you hate them, not because you're selfish, but because you finally understand that your life cannot belong to everyone else. At some point, you have to realize that not everyone deserves your time. Not every invitation deserves your attention. Not every message deserves an instant reply. And not every opportunity is actually an opportunity. And that doesn't make you rude. It makes you aware. It makes you disciplined. It makes you someone who actually values their own life. And here's what's crazy. The moment you start saying no, some people won't like it. Some people will call you different. Some will call you selfish. And some will get uncomfortable because they were benefiting from the old version of you. The version that never had boundaries. And that's okay. Because the people who truly respect you will understand, and the people who get angry were probably taking advantage of your lack of boundaries in the first place. Next thing. So if you really want your life to change, stop trying to please everyone, stop explaining every decision, stop apologizing for protecting your peace, and stop saying yes just because you're scared of what people might think. Start asking yourself one question before you give your time, energy, or focus to anything. Does this help me grow? Or does it keep me stuck? Because if it keeps you stuck, if it drains you, if it takes from your future and gives you nothing back, then say no, clearly, confidently, and without guilt. Because every powerful life is built on strong boundaries, and every strong boundary begins with one simple word: no.